guys, and welcome back to my channel. Holy shit! So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, this is not clickbait, this is real, and this is going up on my channel. And this is going to be an unboxing of a designer handbag that I spent $1,300 on. That's right, you heard that correctly, I didn't stutter. $1,300. Okay, so, you know, every other YouTuber out there spending $1,300 on a bag is like, you know, pocket change. To me, this is like a big deal. This is the most expensive purchase that I have made for myself personally in one go. But there is a story behind this, and I am very, very excited about this. I hope this video turns out well. This product, this handbag, this designer handbag that I'm going to be unboxing is something that I have wanted for, no exaggeration, I have wanted this for 10 years. I'm like shook. Like, I can't believe I actually did this. Like, this is absolutely insane, and I am very, very excited to be filming this video. I asked you guys on Twitter if I did end up purchasing this handbag. I asked you guys if you would want to see an unboxing of it, so you guys can kind of get my raw, real first impressions on it, and a lot of you guys said yes, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I got the box today, and I had to come right upstairs to film this unboxing for you guys. I can't believe this is real. It still doesn't feel real, and I feel like it's not going to feel real until I take it out of the box and I look at it and I hold it. So this is the box that it came in, and the site that I found this on is from Tradesy. I think that's how you say it. Tradesy. I found this bag after doing a lot of searching and a lot of researching. I found it on this site and I purchased it from this site. So a little backstory behind this bag. First things first, this bag is not something that is absolutely extravagant. It is not, well, to most people, to me it is. It's not like an extravagant bag. It's not like a bag that you see people wearing today. To my knowledge, I'm pretty sure this bag is no longer made, and that's why it took me 10 years to find it and purchase it. So the backstory behind this bag, you guys remember The Hills with Lauren Conrad, Heidi Montag, Spencer Pratt, Stephanie Pratt, Brody Jenner, you know, all those people, Audrina, Justin, Bobby. I loved that show growing up. That was like my shit. So I believe it was back in 2009, 2010. I can't remember the exact date of this episode, but I remember I was at home and I was watching one of the new episodes of The Hills. I was really excited about it. You know, I would get my popcorn, curl up on my bed, and I would watch The Hills. So I was sitting down watching it, and it was the episode. This was like, I believe this was from like the first season of The Hills, but this was the episode where Lauren Conrad went to buy her boyfriend at the time. I believe she was with Jason, and she was going to buy him a birthday present because his birthday was coming up. So she went to this shop where they were selling golf clubs. So she was going to get him a brand new set of Callaway golf clubs. Like, it was really exciting. So in the episode, you know, she pulls up and she parks her little convertible and she gets out of the car. And as she's walking, she swings this bag over her shoulder. And I will never forget it. You know, like love at first sight, like, you know, some people believe in it. In that moment, it was love at first sight for me and that bag. I knew at that moment I had to have that bag. I was obsessed with it. Literally from the moment I saw that bag 10 years ago, I have been on the hunt. For years, I couldn't find what bag it was. I couldn't find the name of it. I just could not find this bag. So as the years went on, you know, I would still kind of search every now and then, and eventually I just kind of gave up in a way, kind of like an out of sight, out of mind, but not fully out of mind, because in the back of my head, I still really wanted this bag. And how I came to find this bag is my sister was watching the show 90 Day Fiancé. And in that show, the two people in it, they were in like a antique boutique high-end shop, and the camera panned over to one of the guys that was speaking, and right behind him was this bag. The same bag that I fell in love with 10 years prior. The same bag that I have been searching for for 10 years. Now, I know for those of you who are like really good at searching stuff on the internet, after you see this, you're gonna be like, that's super easy to find, whatever, blah, blah, blah. For me, I just could not find this goddamn thing. And like I said, to my knowledge, I'm pretty sure this bag is no longer made. We'll get into that more in a second. So anyway, I saw that bag behind this guy and I said, oh my God, that's that bag again. I said, it was like love at first sight again. Like my love was like reignited for this bag. So I said, pause it. So she paused the show, and on my phone, because I have a Samsung Galaxy, and on the Samsung Galaxy, there's this thing called Bixby Vision, where you can take a picture of something and you can search online for that picture. So I did that. I searched it online, I found the name of it, and that's when the search began, and that's how I came across this site. And this site that I found this bag on is a site where they sell gently used designer bags that aren't really made anymore or are very hard to find, and that's where I found it. So I clicked on it and I started researching, going through a bunch of listings that people had posted. I was comparing pictures, I was comparing pricing, I was comparing shipping time, just all these things. Like I spent hours and hours on deciding which one to get, and I finally made a decision, and it's sitting here in my lap. So this has been a 10-year journey that is now sitting in my lap that I can now do for you guys right here, right now. So I will tell you, the designer of this bag is Chanel. That's like right there. And I remember, because I'm a huge fan of Michael Kors purses. I have at least 11 of them. I'm not exaggerating. If you guys want an updated Michael Kors collection, let me know. So I really do like Michael Kors purses. I like really big, beautiful bags. When it comes to splurging money on something, handbags are something that I splurge my money on, and 99% of the time it's Michael Kors. But if I were to get a real high-end designer expensive bag, it was always going to be between a Chanel or a Louis. And my very first one, lo and behold, is the one that I have been looking for a very long time, and it is Chanel. So now that you guys know the backstory, now that you guys know what's going on, why I'm so excited about this, a lot of you probably won't be that excited about it, especially if you're someone who's like a designer bag connoisseur. You're gonna be like, that bag is like lame as hell. But to me, it's fucking gold, okay? It's fucking gold. I'm so excited. Without all that blabbering, we're going to get right down to it, and we are going to unbox this bag. Okay, as I'm about to do this, it's starting to feel more and more real. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Oh my God, I cannot believe this is happening. I'm squealing right now. Oh my gosh, they taped this up good. Holy shit. Ah! Okay. Holy. Woo! I got it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm just going to take it out. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. So, oh my God, I can feel it through the bag. This can't be real. This can't be happening. This is insane. Are you guys ready? I'm so glad we're doing this together, by the way, might I add. I'm so excited that you guys get to sit here and do this with me. Okay. So I'm gonna remove the top bag. It's the handle. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of judge this right now. Oh my fucking God. I can see it right now. Okay. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's first inspect the handle. The person selling this said it was very, very gently used, and right off the bat, just by looking at the handles, I can tell that it was very much gently used. There isn't a lot of wear and tear on the handles. There isn't a lot of fading of the leather or anything like that, so that's a good sign. Now, for the big reveal of the bag that I have wanted for the last 10 years. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Is this real? I'm such a materialistic bitch right now. Like, I'm like going to cry. Oh my God, this is the bag, you guys. It is so beautiful. Oh my God, and I am so satisfied with my purchase because this is in pristine condition as far as the outside goes. Like, it looks really good. Like, they weren't kidding when she said gently used. This is beautiful. I don't see any scuff marks or anything like that on the leather. I mean, you can tell it's obviously been used, but not anything that's like off-putting. The bottom of it looks pretty good. There aren't a lot of scratches. It does have the little, what do you call these? Like the little protective things, and those do have a couple scratches on them, but I'd rather have that than actually on the leather. And then we have just a back pocket here. Oh my God, oh my God. And then here is the interior. So it does have a pink interior with a zipper. First, I'm just gonna test the zipper, make sure that works. Yep, that works flawlessly. And then here is the inside of the bag, and it does have the little authenticity number for this bag. I can't fathom that this is real right now. I am like, oh my God, I want to cry. And there are 2 zippers on the inside. So I'm just going to zip these open really quick. Okay, and then right in this pocket, right inside, it does have this little booklet right here that says Chanel. And when you open it up, it just has the Chanel card with the authenticity card and number there. And it says, we certify the authenticity of this item and confirm that it has been subjected to the most exacting quality control. Its high quality is a symbol of the fine representation of the trademark. So that's just what that says. What else do we have in here? It comes with a bunch of little papers and a little card as well. So let's see what this says. All of the little books. Like, I can't believe this is real. Like, this is like, I have a Chanel bag. I'm shook. So I will definitely keep these. I am just gonna make sure that the card matches up with the number inside the bag. Yeah, so it matches, so that's a good thing. So I will definitely be keeping this stuff with it. The only thing I can tell in here where you can tell it was a little bit used is just right on the top here. It does have some little signs of wear. But other than that, the interior looks really good. So it's just the bright pink on the inside with the Chanel logo. And there's a lot of room in here. Like, we have 2 zippers, we have one there. We have one on the other side. We have little pen pockets. We have a little pocket on the side here. And honestly, you guys, I don't even care about the interior that much because the exterior of this bag is this is what made me want this bag, is the exterior. I am obsessed with bags that have a black quilted leather. I just love that look. I think it looks really sophisticated. I think it looks really classy. And the fact that it has the white Chanel logo on the end here, I just love that. And that also looks pretty good. There's no scuff marks. There's no coloring on it or anything. Like, this is really nice. So, and it is a pretty decent sized bag too, as you can see. Like, she's a hefty one, and there's a ton of room in here, but it's comfortable. It fits over my shoulder. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting years for this. So for those of you who want to know the name of this bag, in case any of you are interested in maybe finding one for yourself, the name of this bag, and I can't believe it took me 10 years to find the goddamn name of this bag, this is the Chanel Cambin Tote, and this is the Quilted Calfskin Leather Cambin Tote by Chanel. So you guys can just go ahead and search that on Google. Now, I don't know if this is the exact bag that Lauren Conrad had in the Hills. Like, I don't know if they made different models of this. I'm sure they did. But this, honestly, this looks just like it. And this is the bag that I fell in love with. And this was the bag that I wanted to be my first high-end designer purchase. Now, I do know that this bag is pretty old, obviously, because if I saw it 10 years ago on the Hills, it's a pretty old bag. Regardless, I don't even care. I don't give a shit because I am so incredibly happy. Oh, it feels so pretty, the quilted leather, and it's, oh my god, this is in such beautiful shape. I love this. Everyone say hello to my new everyday handbag. I am so excited about this. This is what it looks like. Like I told you, it's not anything extravagant. It's not what you see everyone wearing nowadays because everyone has is Gucci or new or whatever. But this to me is a brick of gold. Like I am going to treasure this. I am going to love this. Totally worth the money. I don't even care how much I spent anymore. I probably honestly would have spent more on it because I've just like, this has been something that I've always wanted. Now the reason I decided to make this purchase is because one, I am going to be 26 years old in about 8 weeks, and that officially means that I am now closer to 30 than I am to 20. So it's kind of like you only live once, get the goddamn bag. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was my outlook on it. I'm like, you know what? My birthday's coming up. I deserve to spoil myself. I work hard. You know, I feel like I deserved it. And it's also kind of like hey, guess what, bitch? You're getting closer to 30. So that's why I decided to get this bag. You know, you only live once, and thank you to those of you on Twitter who gave me the motivation to get this bag. A lot of you guys were very sweet, saying that you deserve this, spoil yourself, and I was like, check, done, got it, check out, like, here's my credit card information, take it and run, girl. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video with me. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down and give me a huge, huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are watching, I just want to welcome you to my channel. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here, so make sure you go down and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Go down in the comments and also let me know if you guys own any designer bags. If you do, what are they? And if you don't, what would be your dream designer bag? For example, this was mine. What is yours? So make sure you go down and let me know. That is everything that I have for today. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so, so much for watching. But until then, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!